Hi family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Selena Zinchak. In today's video, we are going to be making an incredible treatment for our hair. I'm first starting up with my black rice milk. This video is the next video that I will upload to show you guys how I made my black rice milk. My second ingredient is my ripe banana. When I'm using banana on my hair, I love it to get very ripe until I can see patches of brown spots on the peeling. There when I know that it's ready for me to use it on my hair. So I'm just going to cut this in smaller pieces. If your hair is less thicker than mine, or if it's not too long, then you can use less, but my hair is very thick, so I'm using 2.5 banana in this treatment. And I do not throw my banana peeling away. I'm going to go and put this around my aloe vera plant. This is a great fertilizer. I'm now going in with about half cup of my black rice milk, and then I'm just going to blend both of my ingredients together for 2 minutes. Our treatment is almost ready. I'm just going to pour it into that bowl, and then I'm gonna go in with my Vera oils. I'm using 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil, 1 tablespoon of Jamaican black castor oil, and 1 tablespoon of my aloe vera growth oil. This video is also on my channel. I will leave it down in the description box for you. When you have all your ingredients together, just give it a good stir, and then it is ready to be used. While I'm applying the treatment to my hair, let me just tell you guys a little bit about our Vera oils that we use in this mixture today. Our first oil, which was jojoba oil, it is known to be the only oil that is close to our natural sebum oil, the oil that our scalp naturally produces. It is also a great moisturizer for skin. It can be added to hair conditioners to give you added protection against dryness, breakage, and split ends. Because it strengthens hair, it is also known that jojoba oil can prevent hair loss and promote hair thickness. I know many of you guys have already heard the wonderful things about Jamaican black castor oil, which is also true. It works for all hair types. It moisturizes, thickens, strengthens, and rapidly increases hair growth. It increases blood flow to the scalp, supplying valuable nutrients to hair follicles. Jamaican black castor oil will also prevent hair breakage, dandruff, eczema, and dry and itchy scalp. I love using aloe vera on my hair in so many different ways. I use the gel on my daughter's and myself hair, but I infuse the aloe vera into this oil, which I call my aloe vera growth oil. Aloe vera contains something called proteolytic enzymes, which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp, reduces dandruff, and conditions your hair. Okay, so as you guys could see, I sat under my steamer for 15 minutes. I'm going to leave the treatment on for a couple of hours. Now, there are pros and cons concerning this treatment, being that black rice is very high in antioxidants. It also have a higher amount of protein in it. Even though rice is carbohydrate, it's not a protein treatment, but black rice have a little bit higher amount of protein than the other types of rice. So if you are low porosity and you always have protein overload or you are protein sensitive, then I would recommend that you have cautions with this treatment. You can use it once every 6 weeks or once every 8 weeks, and your hair will be fine. Another thing, being that black rice is high in antioxidants, so the husk of black rice is left on, which makes it high in antioxidants. Therefore, I love to apply this treatment on dirty hair. When I say dirty, before going in with my shampoo, even though I do not use gel on my hair, but I love to apply this treatment before my shampoo because it leaves tiny small black particles from the rice. So this is something that you also need to take into consideration for you to apply it, and then after you can go in with a moisturizing shampoo. So after I leave this on for a couple of hours, I will go in with my moisturizing shampoo. Now, the pros for this treatment is that being that rice have an acetol, this is a treatment that when you apply it to your hair, even if you wash your hair or you shampoo your hair, it is still left on the hair, which reduce your amount of shedding, and it also increase your hair growth rate. Using rice on your hair, this is a treatment that we got to know from the Yao women in China. They have very beautiful long black hair, and it also claims that it reduces premature growing, or it stops premature growing. Even the older women in their village, their hair is black. So this increased hair growth, they have very long beautiful black hair, and they claims that because they use rice water on their hair, that is why they are able to retain all those length. And I went on a 14 days black rice water challenge. This is something that I apply to my hair every day, and I've got a lot of growth from that. So I believe in black rice and hair growth, because I will leave that video down in the description box for you, just in case if you want to take a look at it. Okay, family, so if you plan on giving this treatment a try, please let me know. I love this treatment. It leaves my hair very moisturized for a very long period of time, and especially also the banana that is in the treatment, which is high in potassium, that is also great for hair growth. So if you give this a try, let me know down in the comment section. If you love this video, can you please give me a like? Do not forget to subscribe and join the family. My channel is about DIY natural hair and beauty. On this channel, we use natural ingredients to grow our hair out. I've been growing my hair out since 2016, and 99% of what I use is all DIYs, natural products on my hair. So I hope you consider joining the family. I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.